Hello and welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be a folding arm. This is going to be a really cool pattern, so we're going to go right into it. Start with a two-hand hold position. You can go from the hand-to-hand flip-flop, toss across, whatever you like. What we're going to do is this. We're going to go right into it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you'll notice the hand goes up about shoulder height, so it indicates underarm for her, and it goes kind of counterclockwise with the right hand to it. It's a little tricky, but it's very, very cool. So we're two-hand hold position again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. So I want to challenge you. I'm going to take it from this angle here, okay? So we're going to start off a little bit more toward the floor. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Proud of you. Okay, so go back, look at this video over and over, pause when you need to, practice individually or together, watch it together with popcorn. Whatever feels good, right? So have fun, enjoy, and come on back to the next pattern.